Ang dami nating spices. Garlic and parsley. Wow, masarap po. Hi guys! It's Mia Kaloka. Welcome back to my channel. Gagawa tayo ngayon. Magmamarinate muna tayo ng ating chicken biryani. Okay? Diba, auntie? So guys, let's go proceed. So, lalagyan muna natin ng magic sarap ang ating marinade. Okay, ilagay natin ang magic syrup. Magic syrup. Syrup. Hi, Mama Gigi Laksa! Welcome to La Union. Ay, yawa. Ano ba ito? So, lagyan natin din ng magic syrup. Okay. And then now, we are going to add our mixed spice blend. Ang mixed spice blend natin is may turmeric, ginger, and curry. Kanina kapangay lang. Ngayon lang po. Ang bango. So guys, we're going to get 1 spoonful of ginger. Ginger, turmeric, and madami yung chicken na gagamitin natin. Kailangan flavorful siya. I-marinate po natin dyan ang ating chicken. Tapos, meron tayong paprika. Masarap yan. I'm sure magiging masarap talaga yan, my dear friends. Kailan kami ng hasaan? Sa July po. Now we have our ground ginger. Diba? Madaming chicken yung gagawin natin. Ground ginger. We have garlic and parsley. Ang dami nating spices. Diba? Garlic and spicy salt. Ito na yung salt natin. So ngayon, we're now going to mix our mixture. Yung mga bubbles na yan, kailangan alisin. Okay? Now, we're going to put just a little bit of salt. Yan. Pinch of salt. Ayaw natin masyadong maalat. Auntie, ready na ba chicken? Okay, so yung chicken natin guys ay i-strip natin yan. Pinaboneless muna natin. And now, sorry ha, tingnan natin mga spice. Spice! Lemon pepper. Meron pa to lemon and pepper. Ayan, yan ang gusto natin. Lemon and pepper. Yan ang tamang-tama. Itong lemon and pepper ang magdadagdag ng kailangan natin lemon, diba, inday, diba, lemon pepper, paprika, and ground ginger. Ayan, halo-halo natin dyan, mekos-mekos. Of course, we're going to add our milk. Masarap po na may milk ang Ayan. Add more milk. Diyan natin hahaluin ang ating marinate natin ng chicken. Oh, 'di ba? Ready na ba ang ating marinade sa chicken? Now you see guys, you know how it's going to taste like. The chicken will amazingly taste aromatous. Okay? So aromatous, the chicken, chickenish. Of course, we add more of the paprika. Hi, Michelle! Mapa! Thank you. Lagi mo hinahanap ang account ko, Sisi. Thank you. Onti pa nito. Salt and pepper and garlic and parsley. Masarap maganing garlic and parsley. And ang spice blend. Spice blend with our blend of, meron siyang blend, spice blend with a blend of our milk. So we have spice blend of ginger, turmeric, meron tayong curry, and merong lemon, pepper, seasoning. Di ba? So masarap. This is our curry, special curry chicken. Ground ginger, and of course, the lemon. Okay? Thank you so much. Halika na, auntie. Kukunin na ng ano. Ayan na. So ngayon, meron tayong container. Eto na ang chicken natin, guys. Here's our chicken. Teka lang. So now, ang sarap ng mixture natin ng ating lemon chicken. The spices and everything. Now, we put here our chicken. So, teka lang. Okay. Marinate. Diba? Akalain mo, nagmamarinate tayo ng chicken. Tapos, lalagyan muna natin dito. Okay? At super tender ng ating chicken. Manunuot siya ng flavor ng marinade. Leishi, hello! Diba? Now you see, when the marinade of the chicken is going to infuse the flavor all inside the chicken, we are going to grill this. Auntie, i-grill natin to, ha? Kailangan i-grill natin to as in like grill na barbecue or something. Opo, guys. Kailangan yan ang pagluto natin yan, grill or barbecue. Okay? So, kailangan super marinated. Yan. Lagyan natin. Oh my God! I told you so. I told you so. Diba? I told you so. This is going to be very delicious. Chicken marinated. Marinate the chicken. Yes. Ma-realize mo yan na sobrang sarap ng niluluto ko. Because this will also be a very creamy textured chicken later when we cook it. So, auntie, ito ay itatry natin. Ito yung last part. Okay? So, takpan na natin to. Titikman na natin to, auntie, pag naano natin to. Ito yung una nating iluluto. Sa marinade. Opo. Either i-grill natin to or ipiprito natin. Depende sa anong trip natin. Pero masarap din itong i-grill. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, iset aside na muna natin ito. May clover pa dyan. May ano. Kailangan masarap yung pagka-marinate natin. Diba? Hi, Melidonna Ferrarin Passes. Thank you, ma'am. Parang mas bet ko. Ito na lang. Okay. Ano na siya. Yan yung marinate natin na chicken. So, yung marinate natin na chicken is dito na natin siya ilalagay. Ang dami ng spices niyan, guys. Yung marinated natin chicken, dito na natin ilagay. Okay. At tatakpan natin. Ito, na marinate na natin ito. So, ayan po. Yan. Ilagay na muna natin yan dyan. Okay, hold on. Auntie, let's go! So guys, ganito yan. Bago natin siya iprito, ganito gagawin natin, ha? Okay. So guys, dahil na-marination na natin to. Hi, Ma'am Cherry Templa. Ayan. Hi, Miss Mia Argos of Art Hand. Yes, thank you. O, Auntie, ready na ang ating ano. So, ngayon, so guys, mas bet ko to. Our chicken. Our chicken masala. Diba? So let's now try and taste it. We're now going to cook our chicken. Hi, Garcia Paulo. Andun po si Rusty. Garcia Paulo. Mabait naman si Rusty, okay? Painit ng ang auntie ko. Kung alam mo lang. Dahil titikman na natin ni Auntie ang ating abang mat. Yan, dayta. Okay, so now i-heat na natin ang ating painit ng ating kalanechi. Auntie, get to the chicken. Tapos yung, ano natin yung gano'n. Oo, Garcia Paulo. Masarap doon. Ha? Parang dito ba yan? Dito tayo sa Dirty Kitchen. Okay guys, ready na ba? Oh. Okay. So guys, ilalagay na natin po ang chicken. Okay? marinated chicken para matitikman natin yung timpla natin. Diba? Ang sarap-sarap yung meron yung milk. Ready? Okay, go. O, aamoy nyo ba yan? Ang sarap-sarap ng amoy ng ating... Oh. Kailan yan natin? Diba? Yan. See, do you feel it? It's so delicious. Don't you feel it? O, diba? I told you, ang sarap-sarap niyan. Okay. It's like lemon chicken and everything. Oh. Diba? So that's it. The flavor of the chicken is super infused na ang flavor ng chicken natin. Sobrang nandyan na ang flavor. Diba? Okay. See, napaka-juicy po ng chicken na yan. Because all of the flavor is there. Oh, diba? I told you. All of the flavor of the chicken is there with the milk. It's going to be so delicious. Iiwasan po natin yung masunog talaga kasi yung chicken. So, pabalik-balik tayo. Paulit-ulit. Oo. Iiwasan nating masunog. O, diba? And that is our ang bango ng aking chicken marinade. It's the marinade of the chicken. So now that's our chicken lemon marinade. Ang sarap na, guys. Okay. So now we're going to taste it. We're going to taste na our chicken. Ang sarap. Ang milky. Hami Marisol Palayo. Oh. Ang sarap po ng spice. The flavor of the turmeric. It's so juicy. The lemon, the chicken. I told you. Spice lang yan. Guys, try nyo na din. Basta may milk kayo. And lagyan nyo yung mga spices natin. Teka, kunin ko yung mga spices natin. So, may milk. Ito yung babad natin yan. Farm fresh milk. Mixed spice blend. Turmeric, ginger curry. Lemon and pepper. Ground ginger. Paprika. Diba? Anong say mo dyan? Hindi na natin kailangan ng sauce. This is so good by itself. Hi Ariel Mapayo. May salt na rin yan. Because of lemon pepper. Masarap. Kailangan na lang natin ng salad. No more rice, Mama Gigi. Bread na lang. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Ang sarap. Auntie, may kan mangan kan. Ramanam. Ang sarap. No rice, guys. Kahit pita bread. Or lutuin natin later. Okay, I love you guys. Bye-bye. The tenderness of the chicken and yung paprika, yung smokiness, the turmeric, the spices. Walang sinabi ang Jollibee mo. Walang sinabi ang chicken inasal mo. Wala. Mama Gigi, Popsi nagpunta po ng bangko. Nag-car siya. Ako bumili ako ng chicken. Sabi ko, I'm gonna marinate and cook dinner for you. I told you. Ang harap. Ang linamnam. The lemon. Bye guys! And I love you all. Ang sarap. Oh. You see the juicy chicken? Hindi kasi frozen ang chicken. Fresh po siya. And with the spices, nako. Yummy. Bye everyone!